When you're speaking to groups of up to 75 people, don't strain your voice or risk not being clearly heard. Use Amplivox Beltblaster to give you a strong, clear voice and freedom to move while you're talking. It lets you be clearly heard indoors or out.
Thanks for coming out today, folks. Behind me is an example of one of our upgraded satellite facilities.
Beltblaster is perfect for teachers, tour guides, performers, coaches, trade show personnel, speech-impaired individuals, and more. Wear Beltblaster like a belt and use either headset or lapel mic to free your hands. Volume control is easy to access. The unit weighs only 2 pounds and is powered by 6 AA batteries. The Beltblaster and microphones fit into a rugged carry case. Beltblaster model S206 ships complete. Unit and belt, headset and lapel mics, and nylon carry case. The unit features a 1-year warranty. Extend your voice with Amplivox.